Hey, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to install Windows AWS Powershell Tools. This tool is really helpful for building reusable scripts to help you audit your AWS environment. Quick disclaimer, you'll need to have installed and configured AWS CLI for this to work. I've linked to a video of how to do this below. All right, enough with the intro, let's walk through it. First, you're going to go to the Windows button and type in PowerShell, and then you're going to right click and run as an administrator. Go ahead and click yes. And the command, I'm just going to copy and paste the command here. Now that we have PowerShell open, one helpful hint, sometimes that comes up as down, but go ahead and hit that up. And then copy and paste this command. This command will be linked to below. And it's basically to install the module for the AWS Powershell.netcore. The scope is the current Windows user, and then we're just going to force the command. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and run that and give it a second to download here. And if anything pops up, just go ahead and read through it and click yes, but I'll give that a second to download. Hey all, this is taking a little longer than I expected, but I just wanted to add one note here. So it's saying completed down here, but that's a little deceiving because as you can see, it's still executing up here. So just make sure that you allow it to continue to do its work. And then once it's done, it will show as these two buttons will be green. All right, we're back. That took a little longer than expected, but as you can see, the green button's back here. And to test the install, I can go ahead and run a quick command. This is get S3 bucket. So this will list all S3 buckets in the environment. I'm going to go ahead and run that command. And as you can see, it quickly returned. One thing to note is that if you're running this for the first time, it might take a while. But yeah, that get S3 bucket returned all of our buckets, so we know that the PowerShell tools are working. All right, there it is. That's it for this video. If it solved your problem, please let me know by commenting or liking this video. If you want more AWS or IT audit videos, please subscribe. Thanks all. Happy auditing.